Hey there, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Healthy Habits Her. I'm Ella, and I'm so thrilled you're here for a cozy chat about keto. With over 10 years as a nutrition specialist, I've worked with hundreds of women across the US, helping them navigate weight, hormones, energy, and that vibrant spark we all want, especially in our 40s and beyond. One thing I see time and again. People think keto is just about ditching carbs, but it's not that simple. Some sneaky foods can derail your progress, even if they seem healthy. Today, we're diving into 15 foods you need to avoid on a keto diet to stay in ketosis and feel your best. I've reordered them to make it practical, drawing from my experience with women just like you, busy juggling work, family, and self-care. In this 45-minute video, I'll share why these foods don't belong in your keto plan and suggest delicious alternatives to keep your meals exciting and sustainable. Curious if your go-to snack is secretly sabotaging your goals? Stick with me. What's one food you suspect might be tricky on keto? Drop it in the comments, and let's figure it out together. Food 1. Margarine. Let's kick things off with margarine. It's often marketed as a heart-healthy swap for butter. But here's the real talk. Margarine is packed with highly processed vegetable oils like soybean or corn oil, which are high in omega-6 fats. These can fuel inflammation, which is the last thing we want on keto, especially for women over 40 dealing with hormonal shifts or joint discomfort. Inflammation can slow fat burning and leave you feeling sluggish. I've seen clients swap margarine for better fats and feel a difference in days. For example, Lisa, 47, ditched margarine and noticed less bloating and more energy. Swap it for grass-fed butter or ghee. They're rich in anti-inflammatory fats and fat-soluble vitamins like K2, which support bone health, a big deal in midlife. Try melting ghee over roasted veggies or spreading butter on a keto-friendly seed cracker. Are you still using margarine in your cooking? What dish could you swap it out for this week? Food 2. Flavored yogurt. Next up, flavored yogurt. These little pots seem innocent, but they're often loaded with added sugars, sometimes 20 grams or more per serving, and they're usually low-fat, which is a no-go on keto. Women over 40 need healthy fats to support hormones like estrogen and progesterone, keep hunger at bay, and maintain steady energy. Sarah, 45, loved her fruit-flavored yogurt but felt hungry an hour later. After switching, her cravings dropped, and her energy stabilized. Go for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt and jazz it up with a few berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, or a drizzle of sugar-free vanilla extract. It's creamy, satisfying, and keto-friendly. Do you have a favorite yogurt flavor you're ready to rethink? Try a plain Greek yogurt bowl this week and see how it feels. Food 3. Fruit smoothies. Fruit smoothies sound like health in a glass, but they can be a carb bomb. High sugar fruits like bananas or mangoes, plus juices or sweetened bases, spike blood sugar fast, kicking you out of ketosis. For women with insulin sensitivity, a common issue in our 40s, this can lead to energy crashes and cravings. Clients I've worked with thought their daily smoothie was keto but was stalled on weight loss until we made changes. Blend a keto smoothie with avocado, spinach, unsweetened almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Add a tablespoon of MCT oil for extra ketone fuel. Maria, 50, switched to this and felt fuller longer. What's in your go-to smoothie? Could you try a green, keto-friendly version this week? Food 4. Cereal. Even the healthy whole grain or high-fiber kinds is a keto no-no. Most are packed with refined carbs and sugars, setting you up for a blood sugar roller coaster. Breakfast is critical for women over 40. It sets your energy and hunger levels for the day. Emma, 48, ditched cereal and felt sharper all morning. Start your day with eggs, avocado, or a chia seed pudding made with coconut milk. These keep you satiated and in ketosis. Try a cheesy omelette with spinach. It's quick and delicious. What's your current breakfast? Ready to swap cereal for something more sustaining? Food 5. Oatmeal. Even plain, is a carb-heavy choice that spikes blood sugar quickly. For my insulin-resistant clients, oatmeal often leads to energy dips within hours. As we age, our bodies are less forgiving with these spikes, impacting hormones and mood. Rachel, 46, switched from oatmeal and felt her mid-morning fog lift. Try chia pudding with coconut milk or a keto oatmeal made with hemp seeds and almond butter. Add a pinch of cinnamon for warmth. Have you noticed energy crashes after breakfast? What low-carb swap are you curious about? Food 6. Low-fat products. Low-fat products, like skim milk or fat-free cheese, are often loaded with sugars or carbs to make up for missing flavor. On keto, fat is your fuel, especially for women needing hormonal support. I've seen clients fear fat due to old diet myths, but embracing it changes everything. Anna, 51, dropped low-fat products and saw better skin and fewer cravings. Choose full-fat options like avocado, olive oil, or coconut oil. A handful of macadamia nuts is a great snack. Are you still reaching for low-fat items? What full-fat food are you excited to try? Food 7. Pasta. Traditional pasta is almost pure starch, a fast track out of ketosis. Even whole grain versions are too carb heavy for keto. I've helped clients recreate pasta nights without the guilt. Diane, 44, missed her spaghetti but loved her new keto version. Swap for zucchini noodles or konjac, shirataki, noodles. Toss with olive oil, garlic, and parmesan for a satisfying meal. Do you love pasta? What keto noodle swap sounds fun to try? Food 8. Fruit juice, even 100% pure, lacks fiber and spikes blood sugar faster than whole fruit. This can disrupt ketosis and hormone balance, especially for women over 40. Laura, 49, was shocked to learn her morning OJ was stalling her progress. Stick to whole berries or a small green apple, paired with almond butter to slow digestion. Or sip sparkling water with lemon for a refreshing drink. Are you a juice fan? What low-carb drink could you try instead? Food 9. Oat milk. Oat milk might be trendy, but a cup can have 16 grams of carbs, with fiber often removed, leading to blood sugar spikes. It's not keto-friendly, especially for those sensitive to glucose swings. Jane, 47, switched and felt steadier. Use unsweetened coconut milk or almond milk, creamy, low-carb, and perfect for coffee or recipes. What milk do you use? Ready to test a keto-friendly alternative? Food 10. Honey, even raw or organic, is sugar in disguise. It metabolizes quickly, raising glucose and insulin, which halts ketosis. I remind clients, natural doesn't mean keto-friendly. Sarah, 45, swapped honey and saw her cravings plummet. Use stevia or monk fruit for sweetness. A drop in coffee or tea keeps things tasty without carbs. Do you sweeten with honey? What sugar-free option sounds appealing? Food 11. Tropical fruits like pineapple, mango, and bananas are delicious but carb-heavy, with 20 to 30 grams per serving. They're tough to fit into keto, especially for women managing insulin sensitivity. Tara, 50, switched and felt more balanced. Opt for berries, kiwi, or a small green apple, always paired with fat or protein like cream cheese. Love tropical fruits. Which low-carb fruit are you willing to try? Food 12. Rice, white or brown, is mostly starch with little fat or protein, making it a keto deal-breaker. Even small portions can disrupt ketosis. Emily, 46, found satisfying swaps that kept meals fun. Use cauliflower rice or konjac rice, seasoned with herbs and olive oil. It's flavorful and keeps you in ketosis. Is rice a staple for you? What keto rice swap sounds good? Food 13. Bread, whether white, whole grain, or sourdough, is a carb bomb. Even some keto breads use nut flours high in omega-6, which can be inflammatory. Grace, 48, ditched bread and felt lighter. Try bowl meals like burrito or burger bowls with lettuce wraps. Add avocado and cheese for satisfaction. Can't give up bread? What bowl meal could you try this week? Food 14. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is concentrated sugar, with a small handful packing 20 to 30 grams of carbs. It's easy to overeat and exit ketosis. I've seen clients stall until they cut these out. Stick to fresh berries in small portions, paired with heavy cream or nuts for balance. Are dried fruits your snack? What fresh option could you swap in? Food 15. Cereal or granola bars. Cereal and granola bars, even healthy ones, often hide sugars, honey, or dried fruit. They're not worth the carb hit on keto. Amy, 49, switched and saw steadier energy. Make keto fat bombs with coconut oil, nuts, and unsweetened cocoa. They're portable and satisfying. Grab granola bars often? Ready to try a homemade fat bomb? Closing advice: avoiding these 15 foods isn't about deprivation, it's about choosing foods that nourish and sustain you. Focus on proteins like eggs and salmon, healthy fats like avocado and ghee, and low-carb veggies like broccoli and zucchini. Track electrolytes, sodium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, to avoid keto flu, especially important for women over 40 with shifting hormones. Keto is flexible and fun when you experiment with alternatives. Find what makes you feel vibrant and stick with it. Your body, energy, and hormones will thank you. Which of these foods surprised you most? Share in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more keto wisdom. Let's thrive together.